Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're in the greenhouse and I wanted to show you a little bit about what we've got going on. Behind me you can see my moringa plant. It has grown that tall. It stayed alive even in the intense heat that we've had in the greenhouse. I come out and I water it and it's doing great. But let me show you what else I found today in the greenhouse. I'm really excited. So today my turmeric or ever how you say it, turmeric is growing really well. I've got it growing in this pot. And then look at the Malabar spinach. Isn't that awesome? And I know the video may be a little kind of crazy because it is like 6:30 in the morning. But look at this. The Malabar's putting on seed. It's going crazy. And it has both have weathered this intense heat in the greenhouse. Usually the temperatures get 120 plus. We come out and water, and we've left it just to see how it would do. So both of these have done awesome. Here, look at these aloe plants. They've done better in the greenhouse than they've done outside. And you see how big and beautiful? And look at the babies. I've got babies in there, all in the back. I mean, this is the first year I've had a lot of babies from my aloe. So if anybody's interested, I'll try to put some more up on Etsy. But I've got a few babies here that I can get rid of and a few down on the end. But this is my pride and joy. Look at this, guys. I have been watching this pineapple for several weeks. And look, it has turned. So it is time. I've never had one turn. We picked our last one before it got to this stage. I'm going to have Danny come out and we're going to pick this pineapple. This is the first one for this year. We've had pineapples before, and if you check out some of the videos we have on Deep South and Crazy Days about our first pineapple, it was like the most awesome. And I can smell this one, y'all. I don't know if you know that, but I can smell the pineapple just sitting here. So I'm going to have this one cut. And I'm really excited for our first pineapple this year. Isn't that awesome? The aloe babies I'll hang on to. If somebody comes by and they want an aloe, we'll probably either hang on to them till the gathering or something. And I will have them for sale there because it's hard to ship aloe. I can ship these little ones. And I only have one here and 3 or 4 over on the other side that I can ship. But most of these big ones will probably stay here until March. And then if somebody's interested in aloe in March and you're coming to the gathering, March 21st, the gathering, Wiggins, Mississippi. This is going to be something if they make it okay. But guys, I'm just super excited. Isn't that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? I love it. Stay tuned. We're going to be having pineapple. So thank you guys from the greenhouse and Crazy Days.